Welcome to British Ivy Schools, e-learning platform. I'm Miss Uche by name. Today, I'm going to take you into the subject what? Numeracy. Year 1 numeracy. And the topic says what? Two-dimensional shapes. What is what are two-dimensional shapes? Two-dimensional shapes are flat shapes, flat plane shapes that has what? Or figure that have two dimensions. And these two dimensions are length and width. I repeat, the two dimensions are length and width. Any figure that has length and width can be referred as what? As a two-dimensional shape. Yes. Examples of these two-dimensional shapes, there are many examples of these two-dimensional shapes. We have circle as a two-dimensional shape. We have triangle, we have square, rectangle, pentagon. All these are what? Examples of what? Two-dimensional shapes. I repeat, the examples of these two-dimensional shapes are circle, triangle, rectangle, square, pentagon, etc. Okay. In order to distinguish or differentiate between a rectangle and a square, that is, the differentiation between a rectangle and a square. Yes, a rectangle is a quadrilateral. You know what a quadrilateral means? A plane figure with what? With four straight sides. A plane figure with four straight sides. Okay. A rectangle is a quadrilateral with all four angles, right angles. You look at the board. This is a rectangle. The angles, all the angles, these four angles of a rectangle, they are all what? Right angle. And we all know that right angle is exactly equal to what? How many degrees? 90 degrees. This angle is 90 degrees, this angle is 90 degrees, this angle is 90, and this is 90. When you total the four angles, you sum them up, it gives you what? 360 degrees. Okay. The opposite side, these are the opposite sides. The opposite sides of a rectangle are parallel and of the same length. Can you see? This one is parallel to this one, parallel to this one, while this one is parallel to this. The opposite sides of a rectangle and of the same length. This one is not big, is not bigger than this, or is not higher than this. These two sides are equal, while these two sides are equal. They are of the same length. This one is parallel to the other. And the opposite sides are of the same length. These are the opposite sides. This side is opposite to this, while this one is opposite to this. And they are of the same length. Okay, a square. Coming to a square, you look on the board. Let me draw this, a square shape. This is a square shape. A square is a quadrilateral with all four angles, right angles. The same thing is applicable to a square shape. The four angles are right angles. And the right angle is exactly equal to what? 90 degrees. When you sum them up, it gives you what? They give you what? 360 degrees. So all these four angles, they are what? Right angles. And the four sides are of the same length. The four sides of a square are of the same length. They are equal. No one is higher, no one is taller, no one is bigger. They are of the same length. This one, they are of the same length. So a square is a quadrilateral with all four angles, right angles. And all four sides are of the same length. These are the sides, the angles. Okay, children, I want to evaluate you on the teaching so far. The teaching. What do you understand by two-dimensional shapes? What are two-dimensional shapes? Can I hear you define it? Yes. 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 Okay, all right. That's very good. Give me examples of two-dimensional shapes. Yes. 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 That's all right. Yes. You can differentiate between a rectangle and a square. Both are what? Are quadrilateral. Both shapes are what? They are quadrilateral with all angles equal. All angles right angles. That's okay. Okay, your homework is stated this way. You mention a square shape, rectangular shape, and a circular shape at home. Objects at home, you look around, you check those objects. Any object you bring, you write its name, you write the shape of that particular object. Is that understood? That's very good. Do have a nice day. Thanks for listening. Bye-bye.